Good day everyone, and especially to you Ma'am Jo. My name is Natalie K. Inta. Introduction. Ofbiz is a suite of enterprise applications built on a common architecture using a common data, logic, and process components. The loosely coupled nature of the applications makes these components easy to understand, extend, and customize. The architecture alone makes it easier for you to customize the applications to your needs. But many of the best flexibility points in the system would be meaningless and even impossible if the system was not distributed as open source software. Ofbiz is licensed under the Apache license version 2.0, which grants you to the right to customize, extend, modify, package, resell, and many other potential uses of the system. Another benefit of this open source model is that we receive constant feedback from those who are using the software. We have received countless bug fixes, improvement suggestions, and best practice business advice from users and potential users of Ofbiz. Many of the greatest features in the project were inspired by some comments or suggestions sent to the mailing list associated with the project. With dozens of organizations using one piece or another of the project, we generally get 20 to 30 emails each day about the project. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Teddy Glenboy J. Calabroso. I will share to you the part 2 of our presentation, the features and functions of Apache Ofbiz. Apache Ofbiz delivers a rich feature set for charity management, e-commerce, manufacturing, project management, and retail and trade. Apache Ofbiz offers a great deal of functionality including advanced e-commerce, catalog management, promotion and pricing management, order management, customer management, warehouse management, fulfillment, accounting, manufacturing management, general work effort management, content management, a maturing point of sales module using XUI as rich client interface, internationalization and localization, business intelligence integration. First, in this application, we have accounting. It helps screens for invoice, payment, and billing accounts. Create sales tax entries on an invoice without an order. In bank account section, we have deposit and withdraw facility for user to deposit or withdraw payments in the bank. We also have deposit slip facility to the bank account so that the user can make logical group of payments for bulk deposit or withdraw. User can create a new payment from here and can directly associate to the current bank. It fixed the issues in reconciliation of GI account. It also modified the find account transaction entity and added a new field in status ID to it. Next is GI reconciliation entity. In account payable invoice, we have purchase invoice. User can issue check payment for incoming invoices for given bank account ID. Commission run. This will search for outgoing invoices for which any commission have to be paid and create commission for invoices for selected invoices. In account receivable payment, we have batch payment, a new feature by which user can create a group payments that can be used for reconciliation. Next is content and survey management. Most, if not all, upload content screen now also allow to select existing content using the content navigator. This will enable the reused documents. The help system is improved by adding the possibility to have help files internal in the Ofbiz system. Surveys. To allow to set default values in survey questions. Response can be generated by setting values via map in the wrapper before rendering. It is implemented code to support pre-account email verification, and it is also implemented in GEO and enumeration types for service questions. Now, any GEO group or enumeration type can be listed in survey option list. Next is human resource management. We have company department structure. It divides responsibilities of business into functions. We have managed job position skills and performance reviews. So the manager can evaluate an employee if it is working properly or identify strengths and weaknesses, so offers feedback and set goals for further performance. And the salaries and payments, employment and contracts, employee expenses, and training. In managed recruitment, it allows the company to have a proper strategic planning for recruitment. Next, we have manufacturing management and materials resource planning. It defines the production schemas and tasks to be used as templates for production, runs, managed bills of materials of intermediate, marketing, and end products. It includes integrated materials in resource planning. So, it allows if you have materials, raw materials, you can track them, the cost of how much the cost and the process of making it into a product. Next is marketing communication. It manages the contact list and execute mass communication. So in marketing communication, so if you have a message to everyone, you can use the mass communication, and it can be accessed through the marketing communication. Next is Salesforce automation. Manage account, contact, and leads. Monitor progress on opportunity and manage forecast. UPS integration support for sending shipment, return, label email to the customer. Return type, replace immediately. This could be used with returns with items are not expected to be returned, and even items cost less than the shipping charges. Option to add a new shipping address from order detail page. Generate pick sheet PDF for order from order detail page, and to mark order as viewed. And add more than one product at a time to purchase order in order detailed page with single add form. And also configurable products with virtual product options and returns of purchase order to suppliers. Next is party management. Show party status and internal ID on party screens, and pop-ups only show parties which have the status party enabled. Some improvements to the financial history on screen. It fixed an issue with upload CSV in address match map party menu, import address match map CSV, and enhanced the communication event in screen, and created specific forms for emails. So my classmate will continue the discussion about features and functions of Apache Ofbiz. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is John Carl Lagok, and I'm the one who will continue the discussion of my partner, Ted Calabroso, which is the features and function of Apache Ofbiz in base application. So first thing first, my other group mates will be the one who will do the demo. Catalog, products, store, price, and inventory management. Screen with facility tab or verify pick to allow user to verify a pick. Packing screen improved to use verify orders from verify pick screen by using existing shipment and invoice created from verify pick. Facility picking users can select option for preparing a group on a basis of shipment method, per warehouse area, and number of ordered items. In picking screen after grouping order per selected factors by the user functionality or printing pick sheet of group of orders will show the detailed information of each group like shipping method and number of order items in each order. Just like 1 to 2, 3 or more so that the group of orders are created according to selected options. Facility Introduction to Weight Package Only. Screen for the verify order from verify pick process with support of UPS integration. UPS integration enhancement for supporting shipping code based on dimension as well. Inventory. Screen to search by product, date, type, or etc. And display the inventory movement, inventory item details, and information about shipments, sales, purchase orders, returns, manufacturing orders, physical manual variances. There are views of the movement by inventory item, by product, or by date. Export warehouse inventory reports in CSV format. Work effort. iCalendar support Ofbiz can be used as iCalendar server, enabling user to share calendars information using their calendar aware client, just like Mozilla, Sunbird, Apple iCal, Microsoft Outlook, Windows Vista Calendar, cell phone, and PDA. They can check on the availability of a conference room or find out when service is due on fixed asset right from their calendar client. Just like users can publish department calendars, project calendars, or company vacation calendars. iCal support added to the work effort application. Work efforts can publish in iCalendar format. Availability or transparency is a party and fixed asset assignment. Temporal expression support to work effort. Recurring work effort appear in the calendar. So this is the part of special purposes in features and functions of Apache Ofbiz. First, asset management and maintenance, business intelligence and reporting, LDAP integration, user self-portal, post and web post, project management, agile scrum management, payment, solution integration, shipment, solution integration, and lastly, internalization and localization. Asset management and maintenance. Manage your fixed assets, production equipment, and more. Plan maintenance and service tasks. The asset management and maintenance application enables organization to maintain and register of all kinds of assets. It enables them to plan maintenance and to keep track of all allocation for use. And it integrates with the accounting module regarding reciprocation bookings. So, so these are the features of assessment and maintenance, asset integration, maintenance planning, depreciation, actualization, registration, meters registration, allocation registration. Business intelligence and reporting. Ofbiz, through by its component, offers a solution for business intelligence integration. The components encompasses the entities of dimension and fact, tables and star schemas, as well as services and underlying functions to load this data warehouse tables with data of this transaction through ECAs and or other scheduled services. Office offers highly flexible and expansible a commerce solution, but also integrates a extended third-party web shop solution, which is Big Fish, Kato, and eBay. And the AP integration, it integrates with external directory servers, user self-services portal, enabling both internal employees and external customers, subcontractors to manage their own profile or the back-end application of Office, register spend time on projects and manufacturing tasks, and manage their schedule and tasks. Post and web post. Post system is a spot where your customer makes the payment for goods or services that they're offered by your company. For example, restaurants, retail businesses, and grocery store. Because all have their specialties, and that is why they need a POS system that needs their specific needs. And POS is a web-based point for sale system that lets you process payments through the internet. And without clunky and expensive and spicy software that makes you buy a news version. So this is the three types. Special purposes components or post-based application. Change some services to support big decimal and add new terminal name or post terminal entity and then show it on web post login. And project management. The project management application offers a rich feature set of manage both internal and external projects. It offers resources allocation to product and task grant charts and time spent approval. Approval time spent will generate invoice in an accounting application. Yeah, project management. The Scrum application offers everything to manage Scrum project, sprints, and project backlogs. This application is part of the special purpose stack and can be used as option extension to the base application stack. And its features are resources assignment, product backlog, sprint management, and version management. Shipment solution integration Office integrates with leading third-party shipments solutions, which is DHL, FedEx Express, UPS, and USP.com. So that's all of my report, and thank you for listening. And
Hi everyone, I am Crystal Tree Katipay. What is Apache Ofbiz? Apache Ofbiz is an open source product for automation of enterprise processes that includes framework components and business applications for enterprise resource planning. It provides suite of enterprise applications that integrate and automate many of the business processes that are needed in today's busy world. Apache Ofbiz is a framework that provides a rich set of business. All applications are built around a common architecture, data, logic, and process components. How to use Apache Ofbiz? Ofbiz can be used as an e-commercial tool for creating online store and website to display your products and goods. It is portable, meaning you can use it in multiple systems such as Windows, Linux, Unix, web server, and database. Ofbiz can be used to store your business or company data such as customer contact information, product information, pricing, sales promotion, receipts, and POS or point of sales features. Ofbiz Business App. You can use Ofbiz for accounting data, account payable or account receivable, HR information, employee data, company structure, and contact CEO, CFO, tech support, warehouses, sales, and customer services. Other OFBs applications such as blogs, wikis, service and content, billing accounts, payment gateways in account, material resource planning in manufacturing, people and security configuration. In OFB's configuration potential, OFBs can be configured as small or as large as you need. It can be used for a small business's operation or as enterprise-level software. It is configurable and easy to use
Today I
as
will show you
needed.
a tutorial in how to install Apache Ofbiz. First is you need to download Java SDK, then the second is download the latest stable release of Apache Ofbiz. Then the third step is extract the download zip file. Then building a terminal and navigate into the newly created directory. Then if you're using Linux, enter the following at the command line. If you're using Windows, then enter the following at the command line. And the fourth is after you are done to install the applications, then open your browser. Then in the URL address bar enter the https localhost 8443 accounting. Then the obvious login screen will be displayed. Then enter the username and the password. The username is admin, the password is of this. Then the Office Accounting Manager application screen will be displayed. Then you can now log in and you can now navigate. Then the step 5 is logging into the e-commerce store. Then open your browser or another browser tab. Then type the link again, the e-commerce control main in the URL address. Then the default Office e-commerce store screen will be displayed. Then you can create orders, register as a new customer or use demo customer as an existing e-commerce login. Then step 6 is stopping Ofbiz. To stop Ofbiz is open other terminal and navigate to the Ofbiz directory. If you are using Linux, then enter the following the command line. If you are using Windows, then enter the command line the grand blue of the shutdown. Okay guys, thank you. Okay guys, today I will show you again a tutorial in video guys. So there is a step. Go to the office.org, then to download Ofbiz. Then step 2 is open terminal and go to Ofbiz folder. Then enter the following command, the ant.bat load demo. Then yes guys. So to enter the ant.bat demo in your CMD, open CMD. Open. Okay guys, just wait. Open terminal, then type the CMD, then okay, type the ant.bat load demo, then wait for a minute guys. Yeah, okay. Then okay, you will see the following guys, that the command line is running. Then step 5 is to start Ofbiz. Enter the command line again, the ant.bat start. Then allow access the power block some features of this program. This is from the Java. So before guys, before to install this is you need to install Java first. Okay, then now you can access Ofbiz by browser. Then to access the Apache Ofbiz in your browser is you need to type the URL address in your browser. Let's see. Okay guys, type the localhost 8443, then catalog. Then guys, this address. So you can go to office by address, then enter the HTTP localhost. Enter the URL address for opening the office. So guys, always remember that our username is admin, then the password is the office. Okay. Then after you are opening that, you are open, then you are done to install the Apache Ofbiz. Okay guys, thank you. Okay guys, I will show you a tutorial in how to create product and set up price in Apache Ofbiz guys. Let's play again the video to how to create product and set up price. Okay guys, to create product is you need to go to https localhost 8 property catalog, then to create new product. This URL address guys, you need to input in your URL address. Then okay, then choose create new product, then in the main screen. Okay, then okay, create your product ID, then the internal name, example product demo 123, then create product. Guys, okay, we have a new product. Okay. To select price tab, to if we click if we select price, set up price, then you need to select the set up price to create to set up the price. Okay guys, so there are some price types, so you have to choose price type and fill your price in price field. Okay guys, then this then click the create, then okay, you are okay, go to the localhost 843 or order manager to this order mgr. This your address is need to copy then paste to the URL address in your browser, then type your password again, then order entry. Okay guys, you can now so create a new sales, then you need to enter the product ID again, then add to entry. Okay, so we are done to create a product and to set up the price guys. Okay, then that's all guys, thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Julia today and I am going to talk about the importance and benefits of Apache Ofbiz. So these are more context of our topic for today. Apache Ofbiz is a powerful Java web framework. Ofbiz is a Java-based web framework including an entity engine and service engine and a widget-based UI, allowing you to quickly prototype and develop the web application. Mature CRM and ERP solution. An Apache-level project for 10 years, Ofbiz has shown its stability and maturity as an enterprise-wide ERP solution that is flexible enough to change with your business. Developer-friendly. Ofbiz architecture is extremely flexible, allowing developers to quickly and easily extend and enhance the framework with custom features. The benefits of Apache Ofbiz. There are a range of benefits associated with using Apache Ofbiz, including free and open source, no upfront cost, scalable, reliable enterprise solution, fully customizable, flexible to grow with your business.
Good day everyone, this is Rainvimedi Cabahan and I am here to report about the generalization of our assigned ERP system, which is the Apache Ofbiz. The advantages and disadvantages of using Apache Ofbiz. The advantages are a wide array of features, including billing, invoicing, as well as vendor management tool. The second one is you as a contributor can freely upgrade your own system with other improvements in the main project without having to worry about your changes that might conflict with his addition. Often, you will find that the system is so close that you need that a small amount of effort on your part can change the system to be perfect for you. Next one is the disadvantages rather. The disadvantages is that the framework is good for truly custom development for rather medium and big business. It is not like you would rent shopping carts that suits need of small business. The entity model and the administration is flexible, but the one who makes the changes is the developer. The developers add and changes groovy scripts that define the product and etc. And there is no project management or scheduling features. The next one is the respective client who uses Apache Ofbiz. Here are the list of customers using Apache Ofbiz. Here are some of the companies. The first one is Wax System, AXZM, Entrepreneur Handbook, Noi Technologies, PVT.Ltd, Apache Software Foundation, Brainfood.com, Insign, ESM Marketing, Java Specialist.fu, and many more. We have data on 147 companies that uses Apache Ofbiz, are not most often found in United States and in the computer software science industry as well. Apache Ofbiz is most often used by companies with 10 to 50 employees and $1 million to $10 million in revenue. Our data for Apache Ofbiz usage goes back as far as 3 years and 4 months. Some of the companies that uses Apache Ofbiz are the Guide IT.LLC, the Splunk Inc., and SummitWorks Technologies. So in general, Apache Ofbiz comes highly recommended as an ERP software. Ofbiz meant to provide so much value that you will be willing and happy to contribute something and keep the effort going. This again is a sharp contrast to the commercial approach of forcing users to pay for every night of use or modification related to the software. The open source approach enables information can be leveraged by all the community to improve the use of software for their own needs. And so that's all. Thank you so much.